How to use Coinbase wallet to buy crypto. Yo, crypto curious folks. Today we're exploring the world of Coinbase wallet and how to acquire some crypto with just your phone. Sheesh! Now, before we dive in a quick heads up, Coinbase wallet is a separate app from the main Coinbase exchange. Think of it like your personal crypto bank account. You can store, send, and receive crypto there. Buying crypto with Coinbase exchange. Alright, let's get buying. Number 1. Open the Coinbase wallet app. Grab your phone and launch the Coinbase wallet app. Then, tap the buy button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the screen, the bottom. Then, choose your crypto. A list of available cryptocurrencies will pop up. Select the one you want to buy, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or etc. Then, enter your purchase amount. Decide how much crypto you want, or you can choose buy amount or crypto are your local currency. Then, pick your payment method. Coinbase Wallet offers various options like bank transfers, debit cards, and even some local payment methods depending on your region. Choose the most convenient one. Lastly, review and confirm. Double check the purchase details like amounts, fees, and total cost. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Linking your Coinbase account. For some features and potentially more payment methods, you can link your Coinbase account to your wallet. This is optional, but can be helpful. Just follow the prompts within the app to click to link them. Important notes: there are fees. There might be fees associated with buying crypto, so keep that in mind when choosing your purchase amount. Limits. Coinbase Wallet might have buying limits depending on your verification level and payment method. Security. Always make sure you're buying from a trusted source within the Coinbase app. That's it. Now you've successfully bought some crypto using Coinbase Wallet. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Shashable!